little boys and play with the kids across the street. The tone of their voice caught my ear. What they said was so precious, their little face all aglow. I could hardly hold back the tears. I can still recall the day when we gave them to the Lord, and we promised to show them the way. But I was so busy with the things of this world, all too soon I forgot the day.